Your car's dashboard is constantly exposed to intense sunlight, heat, and UV rays, which can lead to cracking, fading, and overall deterioration over time. Fortunately, with the right care and preventive measures, you can protect your dashboard and maintain its appearance for years to come. Investing in a quality dashboard cover is one of the best ways to protect your dashboard from direct sunlight and heat. These covers act as a shield, preventing the dashboard from being exposed to harmful UV rays. Whenever possible, try to park your car in shaded areas or garages to minimize sun exposure. If you have no access to shade, consider using a windshield sunshade. Dust, dirt, and grime can accumulate on the dashboard, leading to wear and tear. Clean your dashboard regularly using a soft microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that can strip protective coatings or cause scratches. Regular cleaning will help maintain the dashboard's condition and prevent premature aging. Excessive heat inside your car can accelerate the process of cracking and fading. To maintain a moderate interior temperature, use your car's air conditioning system when driving, particularly in hot weather. Keeping the interior cool will help protect the dashboard from heat-related damage. UV rays can cause significant damage to your dashboard, leading to cracking and fading. To prevent this, use a UV protectant spray or cream specifically designed for car interiors. Megia's Ultimate Protectant protects your dashboard from UV damage. It prevents fading and cracking. The formula restores a glossy finish. It enhances the appearance and offers lasting protection for interior surfaces. Regular application of such products helps form a protective barrier against the sun's harmful effects, maintaining your dashboard's color and texture. It keeps your dashboard safe from UV damage, preventing fading and cracking over time. Proper maintenance and preventive care can significantly extend the lifespan of your dashboard and keeps your car's interior looking fresh and new.